Hey guys, it's Misty with Mystic Gigi. Today we're going to be doing a fun Dutch pour. It's basically a lot of blues and purple. So I will show you the colors as we go. If you are first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. And please hit that subscribe button. It is free and it helps me out. Also, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share it if you would. I would love that. Um, my ratios and my recipe is 2 ounces of Floetrol, 1 ounce of paint, and a ½ ounce water. You can also do that in smaller increments, like 2 teaspoons of Floetrol, 1 teaspoon of paint, and a ½ teaspoon of water. You can do it in any ratios that you need as far as how much paint you need. Um, Also, if you are um, interested in any links or anything that I use in this video, please see the description below. It has everything in there. If you have extra questions or any other things that I can help you with, please leave me a comment below or you can email me. My email is in the description below, and I will let you guys get to watching, and thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Also, don't forget to go follow my social media. I have a TikTok, an Instagram, and a Facebook. Also, if you are interested in any paintings that you see me do, please email me. Any and all of them are for sale unless they're already purchased. Like this particular video, this one's already sold, so this one is not available, but I can always make one just like it. All right, guys, thank you. So here I am just playing with it until I like the composition and stuff. Don't be afraid to scrape or play with it and dabble with it. Just make it till you like it. If you don't like it, keep on, blowing different areas, scraping different areas, whatever you need to do to make you like it. You're the only one that needs to like it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited how this turned out. It turned out way better than I thought it would. The colors together are phenomenal and it is just beautiful. And this one sold minutes after I put it on my TikTok and it's an amazing piece. I almost don't want to get rid of it, but we can't keep everything we make. Well, I appreciate you guys so much and check out that lacing and the cells. Oh, the colors together are just amazing. I did use some of that ColourArte, the Bling It interference blue in it, and that really makes a huge difference when it's dry and it like shifts in the light. Oh, it's so beautiful. But check out that bling in there and the shimmer. Oh, I just love how it turned out. Well, guys, I appreciate you guys so much. You have no idea. I I am just overwhelmed with the love and the support and everything you guys give me. So I just want to say thank you so much for that. It means the world to me. And I love your guys' comments and your uplifting words. Keep them coming. I love them. And please let me know if there's any questions at all that you have. If I can help with anything, if you need help with learning the Dutch pour or you're having difficulties or anything, let me know. I'm here to help. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And hit the like button and the share button. And go check out my other social medias. All the links are below in the description. I also have my ColourArte coupon code if you want 20% off in the description below. I also have money off of Counterculture DIY, which is artist resin and resin. I have all kinds of goodies, so go check out the description below. Please let me know if there's anything I can do to help out. And I thank you guys so much. Until next time, I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous day. Thanks, guys.